In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily insert special symbols like copyright, registered, and trademark symbols into your Microsoft Word documents using simple keyboard shortcuts. These symbols can be incredibly useful for anyone who regularly deals with legal documents, branding materials, or creative works. Let's dive right into it. To start off, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word file. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch Word and load the document where you'd like to insert these symbols. Once you have your document open, make sure the blinking cursor is placed exactly where you want the symbol to appear. This way, you can ensure that you're adding the symbol in the correct spot without any need for subsequent adjustments. Now let's move on to the specific keyboard shortcuts that will make this process quick and effortless. If you want to insert a copyright symbol, simply press the Ctrl, Alt, and C keys simultaneously on your keyboard. You'll see the copyright symbol appear instantly in your document. It's a nifty little trick that saves you the hassle of navigating through menus or searching online for the symbol to copy and paste. Similarly, if you find yourself needing a registered trademark symbol, all you have to do is press the Ctrl, Alt, and R keys at the same time. Voila, the registered trademark symbol will appear right where your cursor is. This shortcut is particularly helpful if you frequently work with branding materials or legal documents where such symbols are often necessary. And if it's a trademark symbol you're after, just use Ctrl, Alt, and T instead. This will insert the standard trademark symbol, giving your document the professional touch it may need. Once you've inserted your desired symbols, you can continue editing your document as usual. These shortcuts are not only easy to remember, but they're incredibly efficient, especially if you work with these types of symbols on a regular basis. That wraps up our demonstration for today. I hope you find these tips helpful for your future Word document edits. By using these simple keyboard shortcuts, you can seamlessly integrate these often used symbols into your documents without interrupting your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more time-saving tips and tricks in your everyday applications.